Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini kelang khubor kongsan mentasi na khubor Antor News. Yo Jylla Meghalaya yo lat batmai bat lapas mai do Chief Justice yo Jylla Meghalaya. Chief Justice ke Jylla Meghalaya Justice S Pyntian ulapan tian smai yo lat batmai ke Jylla Meghalaya Chandra Shekhar H Bija Shankar Meghalaya High Naitong arja afsau harat saban. Hakijing tian smai yo lat ke Jylla dalam menteri rambak Jylla ukandat ke sama kikun menteri kunju umet ba lendo wadi uchairman ke state planning board ke sarkar Jylla bat ki MLA baro ke DGP kong ai nongrang ya kejing hilang petian semai lapinya do chief justice ke Jylla Meghalaya ba DP walang IS yu Chandra Shekhar H Bija Shankar chung bijli dak presiden jongkari India kadru padu monmu hajaka jong Pagui Chauhan ubalaku semua terkam jung hakisan senam. Kap presiden kali kalau chung semua ulat haki katu ni ke Jylla kuntup yo Jylla Meghalaya hakabala pemi ru ya kejim permelaman hakisin sajan. Hakisan isan senam balalaj utai ulat la simti hukum ulat jong bihan ru arkanai trik unai tung hadu arjar khandai hadu ka khatlai trik urempang arjar fly Bijaya Shankar udai nolam sain pertai naka Karnataka long teng udukot jong Karnataka Legislative Assembly barkum MP ke Lok Sabha na Mysore Lok Sabha konstitusi hak isnam ke balalai ulang teng udukot ke Karnataka Legislative Council perdai unang bojun teng bat BJP bat Kongres haus nak arja khatnyo Bijaya Shankar ulam ino nak BJP bat dek nyoso bat Kongres handrai husum khat khandai pat
By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, hereby appoint Shri C.H. Vijaya Shankar to be the Governor of Meghalaya with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 27th day of July in the year 2024, 5th Sravana 1946 Shaka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed, President of India. May I request Honorable Mr. Justice S. Veeranatham, Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, to administer the oath or affirmation to Shri Chandra Shekhar H. Vijaya Shankar, Governor Designate.
I, C.H. Vijay Shankar,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
and will do to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law
and will do the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law.
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
Protocol.